Ever wondered if artificial intelligence is the answer to all our global crises? Welcome to the world of AI, a realm of endless possibilities where machines learn, adapt, and even outperform humans in various tasks. It's a universe brimming with promise, a digital utopia where AI is hailed as the panacea for all our global issues. But how much of this is hype and how much is reality? Let's dive in. The myth that AI can solve all global crises is a tantalizing one. It's easy to imagine a world where AI-powered bots combat climate change, eradicate poverty, and cure diseases. But here's the reality check. AI is not a magic bullet. It's a tool, as powerful as the hand that wields it, as wise as the data that feeds it. AI, in essence, is a sponge soaking up data and learning from it. It thrives on patterns and repetition. But here's the catch. AI learns from vast amounts of data, not from a single experience. It's not like us humans who can touch a hot stove once and learn never to do it again. AI needs to touch that stove 1,000 times, maybe 1,000,000, before it comprehends the concept of hot and painful. Moreover, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Feed it biased data, and it will develop biased algorithms. Unleash it on a complex, multifaceted problem like climate change, and it might falter, unable to navigate the labyrinth of variables and uncertainties. So, while AI is powerful, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. When it comes to addressing global crises, we need more than just AI. We need human ingenuity, collective action, and sustainable policies. AI can aid us in our quest, but it cannot lead the charge. In the end, AI is a tool in our arsenal, not a silver bullet. It's a companion on our journey, not the destination. As we navigate the AI revolution, let's remember to separate the hype from reality. Because in the world of AI, not everything that glitters is gold. So while AI is powerful, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Think all AI is created equal? Think again. Welcome to our second act, where we'll be exploring the spectrum of AI applications. On one end, we find the trivial uses, those we interact with daily, often without even realizing it. On the other end, we discover the transformative potential of AI, its ability to revolutionize entire industries and tackle some of our most pressing global challenges. Let's start with the trivial. Have you ever chatted with an online customer service representative? Chances are you are actually conversing with an AI-powered chatbot. These digital assistants can answer basic queries and handle simple tasks, but they're far from perfect. They often stumble over complex questions, revealing their lack of true understanding. Then there are recommendation algorithms. When you're streaming music or browsing an online store, AI is working behind the scenes to suggest songs you might like or products you might need. These algorithms are great at predicting our preferences, but they're not exactly groundbreaking. Despite their ubiquity, these applications of AI are relatively trivial. They may make our lives a little easier, but they won't change the world. Now let's turn our attention to the other end of the spectrum, the transformative potential of AI. This is where things get really exciting. Imagine AI being used to revolutionize healthcare. Machine learning algorithms could analyze vast amounts of medical data to predict diseases before they occur, enabling early intervention. AI could also assist doctors in diagnosing conditions, reducing the chance of human error. Or consider climate modeling. AI could help us understand and predict complex climate patterns, providing valuable insights for mitigating climate change. The potential here is enormous, but it's not without challenges. Responsible implementation is crucial. We need to ensure that these powerful tools are used ethically and transparently, with proper safeguards in place. At this end of the spectrum, AI could truly be transformative. It could help us solve complex problems, drive scientific breakthroughs, and create a better future for us all. So the next time you chat with a bot or receive a song recommendation, remember that this is just one small part of what AI can do. The true promise of AI lies not in these trivial applications, but in its transformative potential. As we move forward into an increasingly digital future, let's keep this in mind. Let's not settle for the trivial. Let's strive for the transformative. AI's true potential lies not in its trivial uses, but in its ability to transform industries and solve complex problems. Is your job safe in the age of AI? This question is echoing in the corridors of workplaces worldwide. The rise of artificial intelligence and automation has created a sense of uncertainty in the job market. On one hand, we hear promises that AI will enhance jobs, make them more efficient, more exciting. On the other hand, there is a looming threat of automation that may render certain roles obsolete. So let's dig into this. What does AI mean for job security? The promise of AI in the job market is certainly enticing. It proposes that mundane tasks will be automated, freeing up employees to focus on more complex, creative, and strategic aspects of their roles. Imagine a world where your tedious data entry tasks are handled by an AI, leaving you with more time to analyze and interpret the results. Or a world where an AI-powered customer service bot handles routine queries, freeing you up to address more complex customer concerns. The potential for job enhancement is there, and it's exciting. But, as with any powerful tool, there's a flip side to this coin. Automation, while promising efficiency and productivity, also poses a threat to certain roles. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks or processes that can be easily programmed are particularly at risk. Think about assembly line workers, data entry clerks, or even truck drivers with the advent of autonomous vehicles. The fear is real, and it's understandable. Yet it's important to remember that just as previous technological revolutions have done, the rise of AI is likely to create new jobs even as it displaces others. While it's difficult to predict precisely what these jobs will look like, we can be sure they'll involve skills that are uniquely human. Critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, these are the attributes that set us apart from machines. So, what can we do to ensure our job security in the age of AI? The key lies in lifelong learning and adaptability. As the job landscape changes, we must be willing to change with it. Whether that means learning new technologies, developing soft skills, or even transitioning into a completely new role, the ability to adapt will be crucial. In conclusion, the impact of AI on job security is not black and white. It's a nuanced picture, painted with shades of promise and peril. The rise of AI doesn't necessarily mean the fall of human employment, but rather a shift in the nature of work itself. As we navigate this changing landscape, it's up to us to ensure we're not left behind. As AI continues to evolve, so too does the nature of work. It's a double-edged sword. Is AI our greatest hope or our biggest threat? Let's start with the brighter side of this digital coin. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize our world in ways we have yet to fully comprehend. Imagine a future where AI systems can predict natural disasters, giving us a fighting chance to save lives and protect our planet. Picture a world where AI can analyze complex medical data in seconds, enabling early diagnosis and potentially saving millions of lives. But it's not just about these grand, world-changing applications. AI also promises to make our everyday lives easier and more efficient. From smart homes that anticipate our needs, to personalized learning systems that adapt to each student's unique learning style, AI has the potential to make our daily experiences more tailored, more intuitive, and more delightful. But every coin has two sides, and the other side of AI's promise is its peril. AI systems, after all, are only as good as the data they're trained on. If that data is biased, the AI's decisions will be too. Imagine an AI system deciding who gets a loan, a job, or even a life-saving medical treatment based on biased data. The implications are chilling. Furthermore, AI has the potential to be used maliciously. Autonomous weapons, deepfakes, surveillance. These are just a few examples of how AI could be weaponized, with devastating consequences. And then there's the question of control. As AI systems become more sophisticated, how do we ensure they stay under our control? How do we instill our values into these systems and ensure they respect our rights and freedoms? The future of AI is as promising as it is perilous. It's up to us to navigate this digital frontier responsibly. So, is AI all it's cracked up to be? As we've journeyed through this exploration, we've dissected the hype and laid bare the truth. The grand narrative of AI as a panacea for all global crises is in reality a myth. AI is a powerful tool, no doubt, but it's not without limitations. It learns from single experiences, and while that can be transformative, it's not the complete answer to every problem. AI's application varies widely, from the trivial to the truly revolutionary. It powers chatbots for customer service, recommendation algorithms for our online shopping, and even helps us find our next binge-worthy series. But it's in the transformative potential of AI that we see its true promise. Just imagine its responsible implementation in healthcare, climate modeling, and other critical sectors. The possibilities are truly astounding. The question of job security in the age of AI is a double-edged sword. On one side, automation threatens to render certain roles obsolete, leading to job loss. On the other, AI also promises to enhance jobs, making them more efficient and productive. The reality likely lies somewhere in the middle. So as we peel back the layers of the AI revolution, we find ourselves standing at a crossroads. One path leads to the promise of a brighter, more efficient future, while the other warns of potential perils. The truth of AI lies somewhere in between. It's neither the magic wand that will solve all our problems, nor the monster that will render us obsolete. AI is a tool, a powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. It's up to us how we wield it. We can use it to build a better future, or we can let it run amok with potentially disastrous consequences. The choice is ours. While AI may not be the magic solution it's often touted as, it still holds immense potential. It's up to us to leverage this tool responsibly and effectively.